NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, have become the most hyped subject over the past year and are still growing momentum by the weeks. Some of these projects have amassed over hundreds of millions of dollars in transactions, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, where they first started selling for only $600, and now the cheapest Bored Ape NFT is worth over $270,000. CryptoPunks have also reached an insane number of over hundreds of millions in NFT art transactions. And of course, with such hype and a new rise of technological innovation, it's no surprise many celebrities around the world have been involved in the space. Let's quickly go over 4 celebrities and how they have been involved in the space. Paris Hilton. As of April 2021, Hilton sold an entire NFT collection called Iconic Crypto Queens for just over $1 million. When asked about why Hilton is embracing the craze, Hilton stated that she is so invested in the new media as a space for new creations that she dreams at night of future projects, artists, and even metaverses, praising its democratization of art. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg announced in late March 2021 his first NFT collection titled A Journey with the Dog, which is the culmination of the rapper's early memories combined with the medium of NFTs. With 8 pieces available in limited quantities, including original music tracks such as NFT, Snoop Dogecoins, Diamond Joint, and D's Nuts. The enduringly popular rapper stated that his art is a look into the life of a young Snoop. Commenting on the rise of crypto art, Snoop Dogg has stated that throughout his decade-spanning career, he has seen so much modern technology progress from analog to digital, which made him eager to explore the new digital sphere and connect with his fans. Ellen DeGeneres. Ellen DeGeneres joined the NFT gold rush with her first sale in late April of 2021. DeGeneres decided to auction her explanation of NFTs on The Ellen Show, as well as a physically drawn picture of a cat that was featured in the clip, as her first NFT. Open for 24 hours, the talk show host earned $33,495 that she donated to the World Central Kitchen, a food relief organization. Shawn Mendes. Musician Shawn Mendes joined the NFT marketplace, OpenSea, with a collaboration with Genies to sell unique wearables, which made over $500,000. From virtual guitars, vests, or other assets, the collection made Mendes more than $600,000. Rapper Eminem. In late April of 2021, Eminem was yet one of many celebrities to own a Bored Ape. These 4 celebrities are only the tip of the iceberg. Considering the NFT project, Bored Ape Yacht Club, that has garnered a vast array of celebrities, it's no surprise how massive the NFT space has grown over time. With many new NFT projects being released every day, it's important to take careful investment decisions into consideration. Here we'll take a look at 3 different types of aspects on any NFT project. 1. The characteristics, which can either be as simple as a JPEG image, a 3D rendition of an image, a video, or even music. 2. The utility, which is just a form of use case to an NFT that gives the holder access to different types of aspects to an NFT project. For example, with the NFT project Zed Run, owners can use their horse NFT in a racing match against other NFT holders, with the winner taking a prize at the end. Gary Vaynerchuk, famous for his powerful motivational lectures and a successful early business investor. Gary has created an NFT, which acts as an access pass to his restaurant. This truly shows the new innovative ways of NFT technology and overall usage. And number 3. The rarity. NFT rarity originated from the traits found in the CryptoPunks collection. Rarity drives a large part of the economy around collectible NFTs and produces excitement. For example, not all CryptoPunks are the same. The entire project contains different attributes to each image, such as a cap, earrings, or a cigarette. This in turn gives the NFT more value since it is more rare than the other NFTs on the project. The last thing to consider is different blockchain markets. For example, OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace in the world, has the cryptocurrencies Ethereum as their main form of transactions. Solanart, another popular NFT marketplace, runs solely on the Solana cryptocurrency. And many other marketplaces, such as Cardano, XRP, Avalanche, and much more. The interesting thing about NFTs on different blockchains is that since it's such a new market, most projects end up as a simple collector's item, and are often deemed valuable simply because it was one of the first projects on a new cryptocurrency blockchain.